Open your eyes and mind. With a simple change in perspective, the view of many things can be seen within. As some may think that the world is made up entirely of trees, we'll soon know that the foundation lies below ground in the fungi. As it was once said, mushrooms were the roses in the garden of that unseen world, because the real mushroom plant was underground. The parts you could see, what most people call the mushroom, was just a brief apparition, a cloud flower.